Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Sariah and I'm really glad that you're here for today's video. So basically today I am doing a Ipsy unboxing. So basically if you don't know what Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription. So the subscription basically is 5 samples a month beauty products. If you're like barely getting into makeup or you just want to add more makeup to your collection, this is perfect for you. So if you're interested to see what I got this month in my October bag, then keep on watching.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony.
So I don't know if you just noticed this, but I said box and then bag, but it's an unboxing, but it comes in a bag, so it's really weird, but yeah. I'm gonna open it. Okay. So I'm gonna show you this side of it because the other side has my address and I just really don't feel like blurring that out. So when I take out the bag, so basically it's just a red bag. There's a mask on here and it's embroidered in rose, no, they're flowers. There's flowers on here. It's super cute, super simple, and it's really going along with the October, Halloween theme, so that's cool. So the first product that I got is actually opened already, it's fine, but it's a lip fondant. And it's called Half Bake. I'm guessing that it is a liquid lipstick because it came in this tube. But so far, what I've read is it is babe tested, okay, cute, and vegan approved, so that's good. This shade is in a Lover Boy. This is the shade. It's like a pink, it's a darker pink lip, but with purple undertones in it. Like, it's really pretty. It smells exactly like cake batter, which is so weird to me. I love when like lipsticks smell like cake batter, but it's also like really weird. Like, what do you put in your product? It's just really weird to me. Okay, so this is the shade that it is. It's really pretty. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I already have a lip on, but if I try it in the future, then I'll probably put it down in my description box or tell you in another video, like an update of it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is the full size. Like, there's not a bigger size than this. Sometimes you just get lucky and you do get full size products, okay? Okay, so the next thing that I got is the Tarte Shape Tape. I love the Tarte Shape Tape. I literally just ran out of mine, but this is in the shade. It looks a little light for me. In the shade light medium. My shade is usually medium, but this is still, I'll probably still use this. Like, I'll put it in my kit, and if I don't do that, then I'll probably use it on myself. But this is the shade. I'm gonna swatch it right next to the lipstick. It's a really full coverage concealer. If that's like what you're in the market for, then this is the perfect concealer. It is a little bit pricey, so I know it's probably blurry, I'm really sorry. It is a little pricey. It's around $23-ish, I think, at Ulta. But it's a really good concealer, and you get like a lot of product in there, so you're definitely getting like your bang for your buck if you do decide on getting the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I did forget to mention, because I forget to mention everything, that Tarte Shape Tape is super full coverage and will last all day, like at least 12 hours. I've never had like a problem with creasing or looking cakey on my skin. So, but like a little bit goes a long way, so this would probably last me a while, but the big one like literally lasts me for so long. So my next product is, okay, a City Limits a Lush eyeshadow in the shade Dance Party. So let's open it and I'll swatch it for you and show you the shade of it. This is the shade of it. Okay, it's pretty. It looks like somebody's already touched it though, so that's kind of gross. It looks like an emerald, like green color, so it's like dark, like a blackish shade, but has green reflex in it. It's a shimmer. It's really pretty, but it's like the dark shade. It's this one down here. I don't know if like you know what I mean by like emerald green, but that's what it reminds me of. It is really smooth, like I said. I don't think that you're gonna have a problem blending with it if like this is like what you decide to get. If you even want to get this, like I don't know. Like, you can go to the website and find, I don't know. So I really like this. I don't know if I would personally use it. I would probably give it to one of my friends or one of my family members. I'm just like not into like greeny, darky shades, or like green shades in general. Like, they're just not my thing, and I probably have it in a palette somewhere. So it's like a self-preference thing, really. Okay, so let's get my next product. There's only a couple left, so it shouldn't be long. So this is a blush. Let me open it and let me show you the packaging real quick. It's super cute. There is a UFO right here and it's like beaming rainbow lights. It's super cute. So the packaging is super cute. It's really plasticky, but it's cute. It says space case and it is a really pretty pink. It's like a powder pink. Like, I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about when I describe things, but this is a powder pink. It's like kind of the shade, actually, yeah, of my pillow back here. It's super pretty. It's a light pink. Oh, it is so soft. It's really buttery. The swatch is really light, so I think that it's definitely going to be something that's blendable. It's this one right here. I like the blendable blushes because, you know, if you like try to put on a blush that's super pigmented, then you're going to be there blending for hours. So blushes like this I really like because like you can put on a little bit at a time and build it up. So that's really good. It is really smooth, like I said, and it's blending really good on the back of my hand, but it's one of those things that I'm gonna have to try and let you know how it is. So I think my next video I am gonna do like a try on Ipsy because that would just like be easier to like explain and show y'all how everything is working. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all my last product since there's, I'm pretty sure, one more in here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so there's two of them and it's donkey milk sleeping mask. So I'm pretty sure donkey milk means white gold because like it's like referred to as that. I remember hearing that in class one time. Let me see. Oh yeah, it literally says like white gold back here. That's so funny. But basically they have, what they can do is restore moisture. It's an overnight mask and it has donkey milk in it. So that's super cool. I love face masks. I love getting face masks from Ipsy. I love trying new ones. I've literally bought so many face masks after getting them from Ipsy, so that's super cool. So yes, these are supposed to be nourishing and moisturizing, and I don't know, I'm really excited about them. They are, I can feel them inside. They're not sheet masks, they're just masks that you will put on your face and probably wash off because you're probably not gonna leave that on overnight. Or maybe you do leave it on overnight. It says the next morning, yes. So you do keep them on overnight and you wash them off in the morning. So I'm super excited to use these actually. Ooh. Okay, so basically there's a card in here and it says, "Who said at night's her first sleep?" And it's so cute. Like it's just a circle with stars all around. I love it. To wrap this up, I'm gonna tell you the favorite product that I got and I will tell you if I thought it was worth it or not. Okay, so I think hands down my favorite product that I got was the Tarte Shape Tape. I love the Tarte Shape Tape. I think it's such a great concealer. And I'm really glad that they're sharing it with everybody so they can see like how it is because it is kind of pricey and like not everyone can afford it. So I think this is by far my favorite product in here. My least favorite product I think has to be the eyeshadow. It wasn't a bad eyeshadow and it definitely is going to be good for somebody, but it just wasn't something that I wanted personally. So that's the end of the video. I am going to link it down below for if you do want to join Ipsy, you can use my link or just a link in general. Yeah, so if you did like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. That would be awesome. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!